Hi guys, and welcome back. We are still in the Black Hills of South Dakota. Surprise! Honestly, we can't get enough of this area. There is so much to see and do. As off-roading enthusiasts, one of our favorite things to do here is explore the seemingly endless trails in our Jeep Betty. To me, this part of the country is so idyllic with its combination of towering trees and giant rocks. And Eric has a blast when navigating all those windy, bumpy trails. I definitely think jeeping is one of the best ways to explore an area. Thanks so much for riding along. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see what we're up to next. See you next time.